DeWALT have just brought out a new 18V compact 360-degree multi-line laser level kit that you just can't ignore. The self-leveling multi-line laser projects 3 bright 360-degree horizontal and vertical lines up to 40 meters, with class-leading green beam diodes to ensure better beam visibility on the job site even in brighter conditions. The unit features a pivotable bracket with magnets for safe sticking to metal studs, a pendulum lock to prevent damage to internal components when not in use, and an off-last mode where your settings appear in the previous state prior to being turned off for added convenience. Get professional accuracy of only 3mm at 10 meters, ensuring precise measurements on the job site. The kit comes in a durable blow mold case and includes the laser level, a DeWALT 18V 2Ah battery, a 12 to 18V battery charger, wall bracket and green target card. The unit itself is also durable to handle some drops and bumps and is compatible with DeWALT's super compact but powerful power stack batteries. Come check one out for yourself at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.